Have you ever wondered how the rich and famous spend their money? We're not talking about a fancy car or a nice vacation. We're diving deep into the extravagant world of million-dollar moments. From jaw-dropping fashion to mind-blowing travel experiences, this list will unveil the luxurious lifestyles of celebrities and unveil just how they spend their fortunes. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Private jets and yachts. While commercial flights offer a decent level of comfort, celebrities crave something more. Private jets elevate travel to an entirely new level. Imagine skipping the long security lines, the crowded terminals, and the jostle for overhead bin space. Instead, celebrities can simply arrive at their private terminal, board their personalized jet, and relax in utmost comfort. These luxurious flying machines are essentially private lounges in the sky, complete with plush seating, ample legroom, entertainment systems, and even in-flight catering prepared to their exact specifications. For journeys that require a slower pace and a touch of wanderlust, celebrities often choose to set sail on their very own yachts. These magnificent vessels are like floating palaces, boasting all the amenities of a luxury mansion, swimming pools, jacuzzis, home theaters, state-of-the-art gyms, and more. Imagine cruising the crystal-clear waters of the Caribbean or exploring the secluded coves of the Mediterranean, all while enjoying the privacy and indulgence that only a super yacht can offer. Dressing the part, a world of designer labels. Luxury extends beyond just their mode of transportation. Celebrities are constantly in the public eye, and their fashion choices become a topic of conversation. Gone are the days of ill-fitting jeans and t-shirts. Instead, celebrities collaborate with stylists and dress in designer clothing from world-renowned fashion houses like Gucci, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and many others. Every outfit is a carefully curated statement piece, reflecting their personal style and, of course, their wealth. Whether gracing the red carpet at a glamorous awards show or simply strolling through the streets of Paris, celebrities ensure they are always dressed to impress. Customized experiences. Luxury isn't just about possessions, it's about creating unforgettable experiences. Celebrities can turn any occasion into an extraordinary event. Imagine celebrating a birthday by booking out an entire island resort for a private party with friends and family. Or perhaps a romantic getaway involves a customized luxury tour through the vineyards of Tuscany, complete with private guides and exclusive access to coveted wineries. For celebrities, the world is their oyster, and they have the resources to curate unique and unforgettable experiences that most of us can only dream of. High-end real estate. While a luxurious home is a common aspiration, celebrities take it to a whole new level. Many A-listers build impressive real estate portfolios, acquiring properties in the most coveted locations around the world. These aren't your average houses, they're sprawling mansions boasting every imaginable amenity: private cinemas, infinity pools overlooking breathtaking vistas, tennis courts, and even helipads for a grand entrance. Owning multiple luxurious residences allows celebrities to have a home base wherever their work or leisure takes them, ensuring they can always live in comfort and style. Fine dining experiences. Fine dining goes far beyond a simple meal for celebrities. Michelin-starred restaurants, the pinnacle of culinary achievement, become their personal playgrounds. Imagine indulging in multi-course tasting menus prepared by world-renowned chefs, featuring the freshest seasonal ingredients and presented like works of art. For a more intimate experience, celebrities often enlist the services of private chefs. These culinary masters curate personalized menus, catering to their specific tastes and dietary needs. No matter their preference, celebrities have the world's finest cuisines at their fingertips. Luxury cars. Forget the daily commute. For celebrities, Cars transcend mere transportation, evolving into coveted status symbols. Imagine stepping into a temperature-controlled garage that resembles a high-end showroom. Sleek Ferraris with their roaring engines beckon for a thrilling weekend escape. Lamborghinis in head-turning hues like fiery orange or electric yellow practically demand a spin down the scenic coastal highway. But it's not all about speed and flash. Rolls-Royces, the epitome of British luxury, offer a chauffeured cocoon of comfort, perfect for grand arrivals at red carpet events. And for a touch of timeless sophistication, a Bentley in a classic wood-paneled interior whispers of old money elegance. These celebrity car collections are rolling works of art, each vehicle meticulously chosen to reflect their owner's personality and success. High-profile events. Luxury isn't just about possessions, it's about basking in the limelight. Celebrities are the undisputed royalty of the global social scene. Picture the Cannes Film Festival, a whirlwind of flashing cameras and throngs of adoring fans. Imagine gliding down the red carpet, a vision in a custom-made, figure-hugging gown that shimmers with hundreds of sparkling Swarovski crystals. The Met Gala becomes a playground for expressing outrageous fashion, where boundaries are pushed and trends are set. Even Formula One races transform into A-list gatherings, with celebrities sipping champagne from exclusive VIP boxes, all while the roar of the engines and the blur of speeding cars create an electrifying atmosphere. These high-profile events are as much about hobnobbing with the elite as they are about the spectacle itself. One-of-a-kind style, stepping beyond designer labels. While designer labels are a mainstay in their wardrobes, celebrities also push the boundaries of fashion with bespoke pieces. Imagine collaborating with talented designers to create custom-made garments, meticulously crafted to their exact measurements and preferences. These unique creations ensure they stand out from the crowd, exuding an aura of individuality and unmatched style. Philanthropy and giving back. The life of luxury isn't all about extravagance and self-indulgence. Many celebrities recognize their immense privilege and choose to use their wealth for positive change. Philanthropy becomes a cornerstone of their lives, with generous donations to charitable causes they care about. Imagine lending their star power to fundraising events, raising awareness for critical issues, or even establishing their own charitable foundations. These acts of generosity demonstrate that celebrities can be a force for good, using their influence to make a positive impact on the world. While the price tags might be astronomical, there's no denying the allure of the celebrity lifestyle. From bespoke fashion to private jets, their world is one of indulgence and exclusivity. But beneath the glamorous facade, many celebrities are also using their wealth for philanthropy and social good. So, whether you dream of owning a designer wardrobe or simply marvel at the extravagant experiences, this glimpse into the world of luxury offers a fascinating look at how the rich and famous live. Let us know in the comments below what aspect of the celebrity lifestyle surprised you the most, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up to show your love.